Hi everyone, this video tutorial is going to show you as a core teacher just a refresher on how to assign students into your Power Hour. Just to note that we have simplified the steps from the original training that was done at the back to school, but I am logged in as Mariah Way into her PowerSchool account so that you guys can see this from the teacher side. So when you log in, you are going to go to Adaptive Scheduler. Once you go to Adaptive Scheduler, you're going to be creating the Power Hour assignments for Power Hour, which will start next week. So you want to change this to 9/21, week of 9/21. And then you're just going to build a day for Monday. So you're going to build 2 sessions, a Power Hour 1 and a Power Hour 2. So tutorial 1 starts on Monday. The course, so for Miss Wade, this would be 7th ELA intervention. And then I'm going to select the room number. She is in room number B19, so I would select that. I don't put anything on capacity, and I just add session. Okay. You only need to build a session for Monday. Once everybody has made their assignments, we will just copy the rosters for the next 2 weeks, just to simplify that for you guys. So I've built the first Power Hour session. I just now need to click tutorial 2. Same thing, Monday, 7th, 8th ELA intervention, same room. You would change this maybe if you are a teacher who has, one session of one grade level and one session of another grade level, then you would change the course, but for her it would be the same, so add session. So now you can see for Monday 9/21, she's got Power Hour 1 and Power Hour 2. So the schedule is built. The next step is to assign students. So you're going to look at these tabs up here, and you're going to start with My Student Groups. Okay. She has a couple of student groups in here from when we practiced. I'm just going to delete those. Okay. And I'm going to build a Power Hour 1 group, and I'm going to just go ahead and date that. And so Power Hour 1 starting on 9/21, create group, and then you will see rosters. So you can just go and you could select students by name. So you could type in their first or last name and it'll filter through to you. I'm just going to show you what it looks like, so I'm just going to select the first handful of kids, and then you would save the group. Okay. So it will tell you, go ahead and save the group, and then it will just tabulate those for you. You have 9 students in that group. So that's how you could check if you've selected everybody that you have on your handwritten list, or however it is that you've stored those. So now you've created the group. You'd also want to create a group for Power Hour 2. So same thing, just create Power Hour 2, starting on 9/21, create group, and then I'm just going to pick some students. Obviously, your selection is going to be much more intentional. I'm going to save the group. So I have my group 1 students and my group 2 students. Okay. At this point, these students are not assigned. They're just stored for you as groups. So now you want to go to group scheduling. Group scheduling, and we're going to start by scheduling the first Power Hour group. So Power Hour 1, which starts on 9/21, for the week of 9/21. We're assigning just to Monday because that's the only day we built a session for. And it is for tutorial 1, which is Power Hour 1, making sure those match. The session is 7th ELA intervention with Mariah Way. And then this is teacher requested. So you want to make sure and select teacher requested because that's going to override student requests. In the notes here, Ms. Way could put whatever skills it is that she's providing intervention on. So I'm just going to guess and put supporting claims with evidence, if that's what that Power Hour session would be about. You're going to see now that there's students who have requests in, and so you can toggle over these if they're not teacher requested. You can see here that this student Joanna, has already been assigned by Shelley, so you cannot assign her. But the other students, you want to toggle to override their selections. This is really important because every student should have made their own selections, but we do want to override those as a teacher. And then if I were Miss Way and this was for real, I would select schedule students. I'm not going to do that because I don't actually want to schedule those students to Miss Way. But that's what you would select right there, would be schedule students. After you've done that step, you can click back on My Schedule and go to 921, and then it will show you right here the number, and that should equal your student group. Okay. So again, you build your schedule, you set up your student groups in this tab, and then you assign your groups in group scheduling, and you just do all of that for one day. Just a reminder that there is a resource in the shared folder. So this is in the Eisenhower Middle School Team Drive under the folder Power Hour. There is a kind of a cheat sheet called Assigning Power Hour Students. This is for core teachers. So when you open this up, it's going to walk you through the steps creating your schedule and then assigning Power Hour students. Alright, so that's kind of the nuts and bolts of how to assign students into Power Hour. I hope that's helpful. We do want ELA and math teachers to assign tomorrow, 9/16, and we want social studies and science teachers to assign by Thursday, 9/17. Okay. Let me know if you have any questions. Thanks.